Public records on your credit file judgments, liens, bankruptcies, they look impossible to beat. But what most people don't know is the courts don't send this to the credit bureaus. The bureaus get it from PACER or third-party data miners. That means you can challenge it just like we did with bankruptcies and win. Step 1. Spot the record on your report. Go through Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. If you see public record, write down the case number, court name, and date. Step 2. Contact the clerk directly. Send the clerk of that court a short letter. Say you checked your credit reports and saw a public record listed, and you want to know which credit bureaus their office shares information with. Almost every time, the court will reply in writing, "We don't report to credit bureaus." That's your golden ticket. Step 3. Use the clerk's letter as proof. Now you've caught the bureaus red-handed. They say they verified it, but the clerk is saying they don't even report. That means the bureaus can't verify the accuracy of their source. Under the FCRA, that item must be removed. Step 4. File your dispute with the bureaus. Send the CRA a dispute letter and attach the clerk's written response. Point out that the source of the information has confirmed they don't report to credit bureaus. Demand deletion because the record is not verifiable. Step 5. Repeat. Across all bureaus. Do this with Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Keep copies of every letter and every response. Most people see these records disappear once the bureau realizes they can't justify where the info came from. So, don't let the words public record scare you. It's just data they scraped, and when you challenge it the right way, it comes off just like a bankruptcy. Like and subscribe, because in the next video, we're going into charge-offs, the big one that holds people back. Example: letter to court clerk. Your name, your address. Date: 2. Clerk of court, address of court. Public record inquiry. Case. Case number: Dear clerk, I recently reviewed my credit reports and noticed that a public record from your court is being reported by the credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. I am requesting written confirmation on whether your court reports, shares, or furnishes public record information directly to any of the credit reporting agencies. Thank you for your assistance. Sincerely, your name. Example: CRA dispute letter after you get clerk response. Your name, your address. Date: 2. Experian/Equifax/TransUnion. Public record dispute. Case number. Case number: Dear CRA, I am disputing the accuracy of the public record listed on my credit file. I contacted the clerk of court name, and they confirmed in writing that they do not report or furnish any information to credit bureaus. Since the source of the record does not provide data to you, this item cannot be verified. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, I request that this record be deleted from my credit report. Attached: clerk's letter. Sincerely, your name. Like and subscribe.